Okay, hey everybody, Damon at Greenhorn Gardening, about to roast some pumpkin seeds here. And these are the same pumpkin seeds that you saw in the How to Save the Pumpkin Seeds video. So what we're going to do now is, these are on a pizza sheet, and I'll let these dry for a few days. And what we're going to do now is just, put some butter on them. And the butter is a salted butter, so I'm not going to add any extra salt. And then I'll roast them in the oven for about, I don't know, 350 for a few minutes, and just roast them like I pretty much would roast peanuts. And then I'm going to top them off with some powdered sugar and cinnamon and maybe some clove or something like that. Okay, so we're back. About 2 tablespoons of butter, and just salted butter that you can get from the grocery store. I just kind of cube it up. I have about 2 tablespoons, and what this will do, this will melt. And then once you start roasting them and the butter melts, and I'll go ahead and give everything a good stir so it gets all coated in there, and then just let that be it. Like I say, this is a salted butter, so I'm not going to add any extra salt to the whole thing. And once that's done baking, I will then, like you say, add the sugar and cinnamon and whatever spices I feel like putting on there next. And it'll be a nice little tasty snack. So if you want to grow pumpkins, this is a great way to use. You can eat the seeds, and you can use the flesh for pies, baking, breads, and things like that. So I'm going to put this in the oven, give it a good bake, and once it's done, we'll come back and let you see what it looks like. Okay, so it does not take very long at all for the butter to melt. And so what you want to do is you just want to kind of take it and stir it, everything. Make sure everything gets well coated in the butter. Oop, lost a couple. Those of you know, this is kind of a Swedish butter knife, actually. Had a college professor friend who had the honor of doing some research over there, and his wife brought this back for me. It was a nice gift. But just stir it around now that you see everything's kind of well coated, and I'm going to just put it back into the oven and let it roast on until it gets to desired crunchiness. Okay. Okay, so here we are. It's done roasting now. I'm going to take a taste. It's very good. Oh, this is good. Good stuff. Now what I'm going to do now is just let it cool. Let it cool, and then we'll come back and actually put the sugar and stuff on it. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can eat it plain like this with the butter and the salt and all that. And or you can just sprinkle it with whatever seasonings you want. Now I'm going to do some powdered sugar and some cinnamon, and that's going to be it. And so basically that's how you roast pumpkin seeds. It has a very similar aroma to popcorn, and since you're eating the seed of a plant, it has that kind of nutty flavor to it. And that's what I like about it. I mean, you can make it salty, you can make it sweet, you can make it buttery. Some people use olive oil. I'm a bigger fan of butter than I am of olive oil, and that's how that works. So there you go. There you have it, folks, how to roast pumpkin seeds. If you want to know more about how to garden and things like that, check out greenhorngardening.com for your free download on the right way to make and use organic fertilizers. And take that, use that this season, let me know how it goes for you. Check you guys later. Bye-bye.